full day of action here at the GKA Kite-Surf World Cup Dakhla 2022, and waves are definitely back on the agenda as 41 male and female riders from 15 countries assemble to battle it out here in Morocco. The long wait for wave action was worth it, especially for the Brazilians who dominated most of the day. Soon after, Gabriel Benetton stepped up in Heat 1 of Round 1, the Brazilian aiming to uniquely reach his third GKA final in only his third ever competition.
Yeah, first time here in Morocco, the conditions are just incredible. I was out like on an 11-meter kite. The wind is perfect, the waves are bumping, and yeah, stoked to make my first heat.
It's Gabriel, absolutely stoked. We'll see him later on in the day, but for now, we move on to the next heat.
Also finding the conditions in his favour was the 4 times Brazilian kite wave champion Artur Moraes, who advanced impressively from round 1. Westpoint local legend Mohamed Ali Bekali saw his years of riding development paying off today, commentating that the conditions rarely are as good as it gets here on the first real swell of the season. Rio de Janeiro Pedro Matos joined the Brazilian party next with a super tight demonstration of in-the-pocket riding, but the contest really lit up when Sebastian Ribeiro entered the competition in round 3, signaling the quality to come in the later rounds. As the waves peaked, the Brazilian ex-QS surfer demonstrated an impeccable wave selection, scoring a 9.0 for the longest and most dynamic wave ride of the day.
My legs are burning, the wave is so long. I've been the whole day just watching all the hits. Super excited to go on the water. Finally, I had my chance to grab some of these awesome waves. And yeah, super stoked. I think I did 2 good scores and yeah, ready for the next one.
Later in round 3, for those famous dreadlocks removed but still never to be outdone, Ayrton Cosolino, often impossibly looking hacks and hits, gave him the highest opening wave score of a heat, pitching him nicely in amongst the Brazilians. We are poised for an incredible climax to this event with even better wind and waves coming up in the forecast for Westpoint. Plus, look out for the first appearance of the current world champion James Carew, and the women will get their campaign underway. So don't miss out and tune in for day 2 of the GKA Kite-Surf World Cup Dakhla.